Let's get across today's stock market moves with Ingrid Willinge. Ingrid, pretty tough day today for the market.
Yeah, it certainly wasn't a good one. The ASX suffering a fall today, down around, 1.6%. You can see there, iron ore and oil prices weaker. US futures somewhat choppy, sort of sitting around the flat line as markets await that Fed decision tomorrow. Meantime, Aussie dollar falling to its lowest level since June 2020 as the greenback continues to rise ahead of the Fed. The central bank could go 75 or 100 basis points, but if inflation forecasts are higher than expected, or Fed Chair Jerome Powell is more hawkish than the market is predicting, it could, of course, send the Aussie even weaker tomorrow. So we're keeping an eye on that one. Best on ground today, Washington Soul Pattinson. Ed mentioned it just before, the company out with its full year numbers, generating strong cash flows and an increase to its final dividend. You can see the stock up around 4.5%. Whitehaven also having a great session. In fact, reaching an all-time high at one point. The company giving an update on its share buyback program, which will need approval at the AGM, which happens at the end of October. You can see the stock up about 4%. And Viva Energy doing well off that Coles deal discussed earlier. In terms of the worst performers, Santos down. It's lost a federal court challenge against Tiwi Island's traditional owners in regards to the Barossa gas project in the Timor Sea north of Darwin. The company must now pause work on the project. You can see Santos is off about 1.4% off the back of that. Miners also not doing well today. Fortescue, BHP, Rio, South 32 all falling. You can see Fortescue, one of the worst performers out of the mining space, down about 4.4%. And Platinum Asset Management, also weaker, comes on an interesting day for the business. Hedge fund group Regal Partners unveiling a 5.5% stake in the business. That stock down about 1.7%. But really, it's all about the Fed tomorrow.